Hello and welcome back to Jarrett is How. Today's video is going to go under Technology Me, which if you're new here is a series where I just talk about all things tech. As you can tell by the title, I'm just going to be doing my makeup and the voiceover is going to be by a software engineer that obviously knows how to code. So the aim is for it to be my makeup but in coding terms. If you do know how to code, I hope this is accurate. I hope this is useful. Let me know. If it's not, I don't really know. I don't know how to code. None the wiser. So yeah, it's just a bit of fun. Also, I'm not an MUA, so this is literally just me doing my makeup. If you do like this type of content, then please be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe if you're new here. Yeah, let me know what other type of videos you'd like to see. So yeah, let's get into it.
Hey guys, I'm NP. I'm a computer science student currently in university, and I'm just gonna go over a high-level example of how we would program Amber's makeup today. So let's give it a go and hope for the best, right? So first and foremost, what we're going to do is we want to create an applicator function, and this is a function where we want to be able to take in various variables. So we're going to create variables for the different brushes and items that Amber uses to apply her makeup onto her face. And we're going to make it so that when we call this applicator function in our kind of main function, we can just input the variables as necessary and receive an output and kind of store it so that we can view the full picture later. So jumping into it real quick, in our applicator variable, we just want to input kind of the the eyebrow pencil, and we want to loop the application a few times within a certain range, and excluding a certain range, and then we're gonna get that kind of result back, and then we're going to move on to applying concealer. Now we're going to utilize a similar range to the one that we used for the eyebrows before, and we're just going to run that applicator function one more time, and we're going to loop the application process. For a certain range, we want to exclude the range where the eyebrows are and also exclude the rest of the face. So we want to exclude kind of the upper forehead, the nose, the lower eyes, cheeks, mouth, chin area. We're just going to keep going until we have kind of reached a satisfactory result. So to get this kind of application going, we could set random, like a randomized range, and then limit kind of and exclude the particular areas. Then we're going to get our result and run our applicator function again, this time utilizing a blending brush. Just grab it in and get that loop going again and again. What we want to do is we want to be able to kind of compress the the concealer that was applied before, and we want it to move more harmoniously into our background, which is in this case Amber's face. Oh, these blending skills are nice. I really like this brush, you know. Okay, now onto the lower eyelids, kind of the rim. What we're going to do is, once again with our applicator function, we are just going to take our product and then bring in another product blending brush, and we're just going to run the applicator function again. So what you can basically tell is that within this makeup tutorial, we're really just rerunning the same program and again, but we're just using different variables to get a different kind of result. So over here, we're running the applicator function on a wider range, including kind of the forehead, upper forehead, middle forehead, the T-zone, is that what you call it? Yeah, the T-zone. The cheeks, kind of the chin area, upper lip, and then we're running it again using a foundation brush to just get that set in there. Oh, I see you glowing, girl. I see. Oh, okay. Once again, calling our applicator function, we are just going to run some concealer along a new range. So this range is going to include kind of the area below the lines, the eyes, kind of central forehead, both eyes, and if we are lucky and correct, we're gonna get some chin going as well. Yeah, we got some chin. Oh, we're doing eyelids. Ooh. So make sure you include all these kind of dimensions when you are running your applicator function. Then we're calling our blending sponge rather. We're calling our blending sponge kind of variable back into the mix, and we're getting it to apply itself to a new range to before. And we're also using it to kind of extend the reach of our concealer just a little bit. Wow. Amber's makeup skills are top notch. Jeez, girl is looking fine. I haven't even seen the finished product yet, but wow, I'm ready. I'm so ready. Okay, so once again, we're using our applicator function to apply a new kind of brush. I haven't seen this brush before, but we're going to, if you know the name of this brush, like insert it in the comments, am I right? And we're just going to use it to further kind of set the previously set products into place. We're going for a clean kind of glowing look here. Okay, if you were to build this program using turtles, for example, or probably better said, a graphical interface, then the idea is that you would see all of this kind of setting into place. So we're seeing the use of the applicator function again with our kind of beauty sponge, just dabbing it in there across the range of our lower face, cheeks, chin. Gotta put those lips. Using some more concealer instead of on the lower eyelids, we're using just them on the under eye area, so make sure to include that range. So you can tell that there's going to be a lot of maths in this program, but it should be fine as long as you get the dimensions of her face or the dimensions of the face of the person's makeup that you're programming. Just get them in there and figure out the rest. You know, programming is all about trial and error, so if you get the range wrong, as long as you're able to tell that the range is wrong, you can just fix it. Okay, further setting in the makeup using our applicator function. So you can tell it's a lot easier to just utilize a function that takes in variables than to just write a new type of program. It'd be nicer to just have the program pre-written, then we can just put it in there, the variables and the range that we want to include and the range that we want to exclude. Makes life a lot easier. Okay, so we've applied bronzer and we're getting some setting powder going. I love this glow. Amber, you are shining today, girl. I wish I got to see your face every single day, but it's a pandemic, so I guess I'll just have to settle for staring at your beauty through the screen. So yeah, we just want to take our applicator function and utilizing our brush variable and our ranges. We just want to apply our setting powder to the eyelids and just underneath the eyebrow area. Make sure to get right in to those corners. That range might be a little bit tight because you don't want to cross over the nostrils, like the nose bridge area. And also when you go under the eyes as well, you don't want to go over the kind of nose bridge range. It's fine if you just barely touch the side of it, but you know, be super careful with that maths. Otherwise, you're going to end up having a super bright nose, which might not be the look that you're really going for. Yeah, so whenever I look at makeup tutorials, it's always the facial expressions where you have to stretch your face sometimes to really get things into the right areas. It's hard life. It can be rough. Kudos to Miss Jarrett for stretching her face elegantly. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're just going to utilize the applicator function one more time, just to kind of reinforce everything that we've already set in place, to just set it in stone, if you will. And then we're going to have one final applicator use, and this is just for our setting spray to complete the look. The process of drying is something that just comes naturally. So we could program another function for drying, you know, where we could say after a certain amount of time has passed, then we should say that the face cannot be altered. I don't know. That sounds really shifty. Okay, applicator function one more time. For the mascara variable, we're just gonna toss that in there, make it look pretty. Upper eyelashes, lower lashes, get everything in there, complete the look, and then finish where we started with our beautiful lip balm on that lip range over there. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that's it. I'm not sure if this was a good enough high level kind of design for you, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and it was great. Thanks guys, bye.